What is that one thing that you really love to do? That one thing that makes you very passionate about it. That one thing that brings out the best in you. That one thing that naturally comes out of you. And don't you just wish that you can do this one thing and get paid for it? And don't you just wish that this one thing can be a full-time job? Well, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to do that, because I'm going to talk about how to start a business you love. And if this is something you want to know more about, then watch this video up to the very end. I'll appreciate it if you can give this video a like and share it with others you know. This will help grow my channel, and this will also help me reach out to more people so that I can help them build their dream business successfully. My name's Lisa Mackey, and I love helping driven people start and build their dream business. I upload a new video every Wednesday, so hit that subscribe button and the bell so you won't miss any of my videos. You can start a business you love at any age, for as long as you're still strong physically and mentally. I'm not talking about a hobby, but a profitable business. In this video, I'm going to show you the following: how to decide what business to do if you have many loves, how to make this business profitable, and the first steps to take. So let's start with, how do you decide what business to do if you have many loves? Now, I can totally relate to this because this is me. This is me, and if you're like me, we don't have just one passion. We are multi-passionate. With me, I love to write, speak, teach. I love to empower others. I love starting projects and finishing projects. I love brainstorming. So if you're like me, you only have two choices, and that is to choose one or combine all. Now, if you're choosing one, here are questions that will help you decide which one to choose. Amongst my many loves, what is the most relevant in today's world? What's the most in demand? What's the easiest to do? What do people come to me for? What do people like about me? Now, using my own example and these questions, my answer points to teach. Now, if you choose to combine them all, ask yourself, what business can I do that will utilize all these skills to the fullest? Now, as a business coach, I write my programs, I speak, I teach, I empower others, I start and finish projects, and I brainstorm with clients. Now, making this decision may take some time, so you don't need to rush. Think it through before you finally say, okay, this is the business I want to do. Now, if you only have one passion, good for you. It just makes it less complicated. We can now proceed to the next: how to make this business profitable. Having a business you love is the first place to begin in making your business profitable. This is why we took care of it first. When you are doing something you love, you'll be in your best element. You'll be very confident. You'll project this confidence to others, and people will trust you, people will like you, and therefore you'll be bringing customers to your business. Incidentally, this is what I teach in my free masterclass for women on starting and building your dream business. Now, going back to the profitability of the business, remember that it takes time to see some results. So don't get disappointed or frustrated if you don't see the results in a year's time. What's important is for you to set up your business for profitability. So how do you do that? Number one, be very specific on the problem you're going to solve. If you're selling clothes, for instance, it's not enough for you to say, I'm going to sell clothes. You have to go deeper. What problem are you going to solve? Like, are you going to solve the problem of women and lack of self-esteem? Think about it. Number two, create a clear brand identity. Your brand should not confuse your audience. When they see it, they should know right away what it's about. Number three, know your audience. Define your audience. Knowing your audience will make it easier for you to communicate because you are speaking to the right crowd. And number four, have a plan. In this video, I asked a question: if you're inviting investors into your business or applying for a loan, what are they going to look for? What would they want to see? Well, of course, they want to know if you're worth investing into or if you're worth lending money to. They want to see that you will make money. They want to see how you're going to make money. They want to see if your offer is really viable, if customers would want it, how are you going to sell it, how much are you going to sell it for, etc., etc. In short, again, they want to see if you're worth investing into or lending money to. And how do you prove that? You can't be saying, well, I know this business is going to succeed. You have to write it down and present a business plan. This is how it works. Well, whether you are inviting investors or not, or whether you're borrowing money or not, you definitely need a business plan. It doesn't have to be complicated. The business plan is to guide you on how you're going to make money for your business. Now, if you want to learn how to create a business plan, check the link in the video description after watching this. Next, let's jump to the first steps you need to take. Now, this is assuming that you have already chosen the business that you love. So the first step would be for you to choose a name for your business. So this can just be your name with the identity of your business. Like in my case, it's Lisa Mackey Consulting. Number 2, choose your business entity. So this could be sole proprietorship. This can be an LLC. This can be a corporation. You can easily research that, choosing a business entity. Just Google it. And then after you do that, you register your business. So you check the requirements of your state and your city. I really advise that you register your business so that you can pay the right taxes and you can be a legit business instead of people doubting whether they can trust you or not. It just makes things easier. Even if you're working from home, even if you're just doing side gigs, in the beginning, I still recommend that you register your business. Number 4, get a location if you have a physical office or a physical store. Number 5, purchase your equipment. Number 6, hire your people. So this is not really in chronological order. I'm just showing you the first steps that you need to take in finally starting your business. Number 7, promote your business. Now this step is an entire process in itself that starts by building a website or having a sales page. And even if you have a physical store, you still need an online presence these days if you really want to make your business profitable. And then you need your marketing materials like flyers, brochures, whatever it is that you'll use to promote your business. So you may be saying, Lisa, this is just overwhelming me. I don't even know how to do the marketing and promotions, and I don't even know how to do a business plan. Well, it doesn't have to be overwhelming. And that's the reason why I created the free masterclass for you. And I also have free starter kits for men and women that can help jumpstart you. It's going to be fun. You know why? Because you're doing a business you love. So let me know in the comments below how this video has helped you. And feel free to ask me any questions related to this video. I would love to see you have fun while making money. Again, check the links in the video description because your free packages are waiting for you. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell so you won't miss any video I post on Wednesdays. Now, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in the next video.